The Rio Hotel and Casino is one of those Las Vegas hotels a lot of people remember from an earlier Las Vegas time, and now it's trying very hard to become a new version of itself. Check the current room rates and discounts by scanning this QR code. Rio sits just one block off the Las Vegas Strip on Flamingo Road, which sounds close, and technically it is, but this is Las Vegas. One block can still mean a long walk past traffic, parking lots, and a series of interconnected pedestrian walkways. Rio started a major renovation in 2023 with updated rooms, new restaurants, and a refreshed pool area. Outside the pool, Rio has quite a bit going on. The Penn and Teller Theater is here, along with Wow Las Vegas, the Comedy Cellar, and a casino floor that keeps the property active without needing to leave the building. The pool area is also part of the renovation, with an updated deck, new landscaping, and colorful seating. Unfortunately, we were here during the winter, so the pool was closed. If you're visiting during pool season, drop a comment to let us know how it is. Food is also much better covered than we expected. Around the lobby, you'll find Egg Slut, Guy's Taco Shack, Starbucks, Luckily Tavern and Grill, KJ Dim Sum, King's Kitchen, and the Canteen Food Hall, which includes even more food choices like Tony Luke's, Tender Crush, Nama Nama, Shogun Ramen, and the Southland Burrito Company. You have plenty of quick casual options. Even better, many of the restaurants here are much less expensive than what you'll find on the Strip.
Hi, I'm Elliot from Now Go See It, and we are at the Rio Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, you may have heard that the Rio has been recently remodeled, so we stayed here a long time ago and we thought we would circle back and see how things have changed. And first impressions, not so bad. The lobby's pretty nice, but we're right here in the newly remodeled Ipanema suite. So, I guess I'm the boy from Ipanema. Ipanema? Empanama. Empanada?
It's empanada.
Empanada. I'm the boy from Empanada. But good news, they've replaced all the furniture. And here at the Rio, the great thing is that each room is a suite. So it has a lot of room. This room, I think, is over 400 square feet, which is a lot of space to splay out. You can have a whole family stay here. It'd be fine. So when you walk in, the suites have a lovely little L-shaped couch. You can watch your television. And then we have a fantastic view of a trucking port. Oh yeah, that's right. We're classy, we're doing it right. I think she upgraded in quotes, to a high room so that we had a view. She acted like it was gonna be nice, but I mean, if you're really into truckers, I'll show them a little leg, see what happens. No, not a good idea. Anyway, moving on. So this is a double queen room. And so the bed's standard queen size. There's a nice dresser in the middle. This pulls out. No Bible. I don't know where that is. I could use one. But it's nice. It's got new fixtures. But here's one of the bonus features of a Vegas hotel room that you don't get too often is drawers, and also it's a little mini fridge, and that's pretty atypical for Vegas hotels. Usually you just have the mini bar, but this hotel, each room actually comes with a fridge. So if you're here with a family, you can keep your drinks cool. If you're here as an adult, you can keep those espresso martinis cool, or whatever your drink is of choice. Got your room phone, got your ice bucket, pretty standard there. They have remodeled most of the countertops. I think these floors are the same as they were when I was here like 12 years ago. I can't really tell. But yeah, you got a lot of counter space here. You got some nice lotions, your shower cap. You have a full closet. There's a lot of space here with a safe. If you need to keep your belongings, your valuables, lock up your guns, your wives, your children. I don't know if your wife and children will fit in the safe. So you get your full-size closet, ironing board, your iron hun. One thing that's nice about this is you got your little sink and makeup prep area with drawers outside the loo area so you can get ready in the morning. Oh, there's a little wear and tear on that. That's a little, you know, it is a little dirty now that I'm looking at it up close, but I mean, this furniture I'm assuming is pretty new and it's kind of already pretty dinged up. Inside here, you got your potty room. Oh, there's a bonus sink in here. That's nice. So multiple people can get ready at the same time. And then in this little room is your shower. It's a nice size shower. I do like that fixture, and you have some nice body lotions and shampoos and bath gels. Pretty standard bathroom, but I do like the wallpaper. It's got some pizzazz. It's nice. And I like there's a nice large shower. Really appreciate that. So overall, I would say the room, I'm a little, I don't want to say underwhelmed by the upgrade, but I don't know, it kind of looks the same as it did. Like it has the same style sense that it had. It's just some newer fixtures, but they're not particularly like high-end or nice. I wish they had splurged a little bit and really upgraded and made it a little more ritzy and glamorous. But the trade-off is the space here at the Rio. So if you have a family staying in this room, you can all be fairly comfortable, and you have space to lay out and have your own bed. So I'm gonna give this room I'm gonna give it a B-. Yeah, a B-. That's my final ranking.
If this tour helped you plan your Las Vegas trip, like the video, subscribe to Now Go See It, and visit nowgoseeit.com for more Las Vegas travel ideas, hotel reviews, and realistic trip planning advice around the world. Now go see Rio Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas.